This video I will explain how to update your operating system and software. Keeping your operating system and software up to date is one of the most important things you can do to keep your computer safe, fast and working properly. What is an operating system? Your operating system, it is often called OS, is the main software that runs on your computer. Examples of operating systems are Windows, like Windows 10 or Windows 11, Mac OS for Apple computers, Linux, Android for many smartphones. The OS controls how your computer works and allow you to use programs, files, and the internet. What is software? Software means any program or app you use on your computer or phone. For example, browsers like Chrome browser or Firefox browser. Word processors like Microsoft Word, antivirus programs, games and apps. These programs also need updates to fix bugs, add new features, and improve security. Why updates are important? Updates fix problems or weaknesses that hackers can use. Updates can make your system run better and faster. Updates may add new tools or functions. Updates often fix errors or bugs that may slow things down. To update the Windows operating system, what you have to do is click on Start menu, select Settings, click on Update and Security, then click on Windows Update, then click on Check for Updates. If updates are available, click on Download or Install, then restart your computer if asked. Click on Settings. Here you can see Windows Update. Click on this, and here you can see Check for Updates. Click on this and it will check for updates. If updates are there, download and install. Now we will see how to update Mac OS operating system. Click on Apple menu in the top left corner. Choose System Settings or System Preferences. Click on Software Update. If an update is available, click Update Now or Upgrade Now. Enter your password if asked and wait it for install and restart your computer. How to update your software or apps? Method 1 is through the app itself. Most programs have a built-in update option. For that, you have to open the program. For example, open Chrome browser, click on menu or help section. You can see it in the top right. Look for check for updates, about or update, and follow the steps to install the update. Method 2 is through the App Store. For apps downloaded through Microsoft Store or Mac App Store, open the store, go to Updates or Library, click Update All or update the apps one by one. Now we will see tips for easy updating. Turn on automatic updates if available. This way your system and apps update by themselves. Restart your computer regularly so updates can finish installing. Don't ignore update reminders. They help to keep your system safe. Keep your device connected to Wi-Fi and plugged in, especially for big updates. Check for updates at least once a month if automatic updates are turned off. You have to update operating system for fixes, security fixes to improve the speed and new features. To do that, you have to use system settings in Windows or Mac OS operating systems. You have to update software or apps to get better performance and fewer bugs. To do that, you have to use Apps menu or App Store. You have to turn on automatic updates to saves time and keeps you protected. To do that, you have to turn on in system or app settings. The conclusion is you have to update your operating system and software regularly, which helps your computer run smoothly, stay safe from viruses, and get the latest features. It is simple to do and only takes a few minutes, but it makes a big difference.